Hello friends, in this video I will be talking about the modules. So what is module? So modules are classes, but it cannot be instantiated. What is the meaning of this? Let me give you an example. IRP. So modules are classes. Modules dot class. I will ask, what is your class? So it's a class. You can think like this. Module is equals to class dot new. It's you can think of like this, class dot new, it's a module. And what is the syntax of defining the module? You can give any name. This is the syntax of defining a module. So it's a similar to class, that instead of defining the class and the class name, we define the module and then a module name. And my module, you can think like this. My module is also an object of module.new. You can think like this. How can I say that? You can ask my module.class. It will give you the module. It's an object of module. Okay, and then if you ask the module, what is the what you are the object of which class, then it will give you a class of class. So you can think like this, module and classes are same, but module cannot be instantiated. For example, I have defined this module, but this cannot be instantiated. Okay, undefined method new. So this method is not in the modules. I can say that class dot instance method dot count. So classes have 114 methods. Okay, module dot instance method, it has 149 methods. So it has 5 extra methods, but module has 5 less methods. I can subtract this one. Okay, so what are the 5 methods? Just list out. So it will give you the classes has 5 extra methods which the modules does not have. So these are the 5 methods: subclasses, attached method, new. These are the methods that exist in the class, but that does not exist in module. So classes are modules and modules are classes. We can think like this, but classes can be instantiated, but module cannot be instantiated. Then you will ask that what is the purpose of defining the module? So the purpose of defining the module is to define the methods, and we can collect those methods and include it into any other modules or any other class. Just let me give you an example. For example, if you have defined any module, my module, then you have defined one method. Okay, and you can include this module into defining, include like this, include this module, and you have defined another module, my second module, and you can include that module. Now this module will have this method and this method. Okay, so this module will have 2 methods. We will take an example of vehicle. Earlier we have defined the vehicle, that one method and the second method. Okay, we can remove this method into an modules. For example, we have defined one module, uh, vehicle methods. Okay, and then we have moved this method, just removed it. We have defined this here, all these methods. We can just include the module into our class. Include vehicle include. Now what? Now just let me define that. I have defined one module which have 2 methods. Now I have included that module into this class. Okay, now I can call this method with the instance of this vehicle.new vehicle object. Now I can call this any method, 1 2 vehicle object dot maximum speed. It will give the answer. Maximum speed is 180 km/h, so that it is printed. So the purpose of module is to just collect just define the methods, and you can include it into here. You can include this module here as well. Okay, include second module. So just let me clear it out. IRB. Just define. I am just defining one module. I have included that module here. Second module I have defined. Now I have included this module into this class. So I have just have to define this module as well first. Then I will include these two modules into that class. Now I can call any of this method. 1, 2, 3, 4, any. Just I'm instantiating this class. Now I can call this method. Let me call this method method1. Pickle object dot method1. Where is method1? Yes, method1. Hello from my module method1. So the purpose of this module is just to achieve the multi-level inheritance as well, because we include the multiple modules, one module, second module. So that's the purpose of modules. The purpose of module is to achieve the multiple inheritance. That's it for this video.